Hey everyone, how are you all? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video, I'm going to share with you some DIY wall decor ideas which are turned out really beautiful. So do watch the video till the end. And if you're new to my channel or haven't subscribed my channel, then please go and subscribe to my channel so you don't miss my DIY videos. So yeah, now without wasting time, let's get started. For this DIY, I have taken this old newspaper, start cutting them in a strips. Now you can take any round stick or use any pen refill, roll it like so and make like a stick. Like this you will need 40 to 50 sticks. Cut a round cardboard. Now stick the newspaper rolls one by one like so. After that, cut the extra part. After that, take one newspaper roll and stick it in the border to give a finished look. For coloring the base, I am using white acrylic color. Then I have drawn some simple design. I am going to color it with black acrylic color. After it is dry, you will need black wool. Start making tassels. Roll it 25 times. So I have made like one big and two small tassel. Stick them with hot glue gun or any other strong glue. In the same way, I have made another but with different design, and here is the final look. It was very easy to make and it turned out really beautiful. For this DIY, you will need this white cotton fabric. Cut it in this shape. Then take a fabric glue and stick the borders of all the four sides. If you want, you can even stitch them. After that, I have planned to make this design on this fabric. I will just draw the design with the pencil. I am going to color the lines with the black color. For coloring I am using acrylic colors. You can even use fabric colors. For this rainbow I am going to do pastel colors. You can do like any designs of your choice. It's really easy to do and I really enjoyed it. It is very easy. It took me hardly half an hour to make this DIY. So you can also make this in a very easy way. Now stick any tree branch or any wooden stick you have. I am having this type of latkans in a different color. So I will just stitch them. And lastly, tie a rope to hang it and it's done. For this DIY, you will need bamboo skewers. Cut 5 pieces of 11 cm each. Arrange them in a pentagon shape. Apply hot glue in all the 5 joints. After it is dry, do same on another side. Now cut 5 pieces of 17.5 centimeter. Stick the skewers in the joints like so. If you don't have hot glue gun, you can even stick with clay. Like instead of applying hot glue, you can stick small pieces of clay in the joints. Stick the all 5 skewers together and let it dry. So the first side is done. Then cut 5 pieces of 11.5 centimeter. Stick them in the same way we did on the another side. And it's ready. It looks like a diamond shape. Now take a ring and attach it at the top with the help of glue gun. Color it with black color. So I have seen this type of hanging which I use to decorate the house, and they are quite expensive. They range from like 500 to 900. So I made this, which is easy to make and also cheap but looks expensive. So that's it for today's video. If you like this video, then please hit the like button, subscribe to my channel and share this video with everyone. I will meet you in next video with different DIYs. So till then, bye bye.